Kwok, and today I prepared GRE Quantitative Reasoning 36 question. The category is comparison, and we are gonna meet the new topic. The new topic is statistics, or I can say average, median, and kind of standardization. So let's get it, guys. Question, and as always, pause the video and get the correct answer by yourself with a sheet of paper and a pencil, please. Let's get it, guys. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes. And underline or circle important word first of all. There are two tables. Still, we don't know what they are asking. Frequency distribution of list X, list Y, and there's a number, frequency. So number and frequency have some relations here. List X and Y each contains 60 numbers. So X is 60 numbers. Y is also 60 numbers. Frequency distributions for each list are given above. The average or arithmetic mean of the number in list X is (2.8) and average Y is 7.2, and list Z contains 120 numbers. The numbers in list X and the numbers in list Y, which means 60 number plus 60. Quantity A, the average of the 120 numbers in list Z. First of all, with a different color, with purple, the average of the number 120 numbers in list Z is, first of all, what we have to know is Z equals X plus Y regarding the number. Is that correct? So we can directly calculate this way, because the average of X was 2.8 and the average of Y was 7.2. So first of all, we can add it and then divide by 2. In that case, we can figure out the average of 120. So quantity A is 5. Let's move on to quantity B. Quantity B, the median of the 120 numbers in list Z. So list Z is still X plus Y, but they are asking the number, the median of the number. So what we have to know about is write down all the number of X and then all of the number of Y, because list Z is the combination or the congregation of list X and Y, and then we can figure out the median of 120. But guys, what is the meaning of median? We also have to know the meaning of the median. Median means the number which could be located in the middle of the whole numbers. One more time, the median number, or the median, is the number which could be located in the middle of the whole numbers. So before solving quantity B, for example, if there are numbers such as 1, 2, 3, what is the median? The median is 2. Then what about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers. In that case, what is the median? Is it 2 or is it 3? Neither of them is correct because 2 or 3 is not positioned in the middle of the number. So we have to calculate, and then we have to find out the median as 2.5, 2.5, because 2 plus 3 and divide by 2 equals 2.5. So like this way, the median of the 120 numbers in list Z is 5.5. 5.5. Does it make sense? So quantity B is 5.5. Quantity A is 5. So what is correct answer? The correct answer is B as Boston, because choice B represents quantity B is larger than quantity A. Does it make sense? Yes, right. Let's move on to the next one. Following my explanation well, if it is difficult, think about it by yourself slowly one more time. And then you can figure out quantity A and quantity B step by step. But one more time, the average of 120 numbers in list Z. We already know the average of X and average of Y. So that's why we calculate like this way. Is that correct? Yes. So this is the simplest way, but we can have like a suspicion or doubt or curiosity why it makes sense. I don't understand Mr. Kwok. That's why. Because we are going to think about in a different way. So let's think about it. If it is difficult, we can think about it like this way. The number of X was 60 numbers, and the average was 2.8. So, anyway, 2.8 multiplied by 60 plus the Y's average was 7.2, and the number was 60. And then we can divide by total number 120. Is that correct? Yes, right. Because anyway, list Z is the combination of list X plus list Y. That's why this equation is correct. In that case, 60 and then 2.8 plus 7.2. Parenthesis closed. And then divided by 120. Is that correct? Yes, right. Then we can offset 1 and 2. So that's why the equation is the same as the above one. 2.8 plus 7.2 divided by 2. So it's the same, guys. Did you get it? Yes, right. It's not that difficult, but it's very important to understand. So anyway, the quantity A is 5. And one more time, the meaning of the median was the number that is located in the middle among all of the numbers. So we have to find out the median by using 5 and 6. Because we have right now even number. we have 8 numbers. So 11 divided by 2 equals 5.5. So the answer is like this way. So let's move on to the next one. Important as a kind of a statistics, even though they are not asking or they are not asking us to use the frequency, guys. So they are asking average and then the median. It's very important, guys. So on top of that, next time the question asker can ask us kind of a like a this one, and then they can ask also how to draw the question, draw the graph, whether it is a kind of standardized graph or no. So it's very important, so please think about it additionally, and then ahead of that, please review the concept of average and then how to get the median. Question, guys, was it difficult? I would say it was very tricky because they gave us too much information, but some of the information was plausible, but they were not necessary. That's why I always emphasize that analysis from the synthesis or analysis from the data is very important. So think about the two concepts of the average and what else? Average and the median one more time, guys, and then we will encounter harder questions later. And please click the subscription and like button because it could be beneficial for me to make the next video with my intrinsic motivation. Thank you very much, guys, and see you later, guys.